Day 2, your boy Credit K out here in the van with the runs with these big auto parts. Still doing this courier service, auto part courier out of Marietta. Plenty of them. Just do your Google searches on Indeed. You'll find the one I'm talking about. Not my name drop. In case you guys say, hey man, I know this guy named Kevin, he make a video, whatever. But I still want to put you guys on game, man. I started this run at 8 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock now. Next start about 9. So only been running 2 hours. About, see me the miles in. About 50 miles. I'm gonna make about 150 for these 2 hours. Gas can ain't even move. Let me see with the gas can. Gas can barely move. So it's good deal, guys. Be rolling.